Student. In the last session we discussed about trial balance, definition of trial balance, objectives of trial balance and the method of preparation of trial balance. Today in this session we discuss about accounting error. Myself Dr. Chaitali Pawar from Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. Learning outcome of this session: after watching this video you will be able to describe different types of accounting error which are not reflected in a trial balance. The main purpose of preparing trial balance is to test the arithmetical accuracy of account book. It must be kept in mind that the tallying of trial balance does not mean that no error have been committed in accounting record. Remember that the different types of error are not reflected even in a trial balance also. So these errors are the critical error as well as the error of principal. Critical error such as error of omission, error of commission, error of misposting and compensating error. In this way, the accounting error is mainly classified into 5 main classes: error of omission, error of commission, error of principal, error of posting and compensating error. Today we discuss detail about each and every error. So first we start with error of commission. This type of error is mainly occur due to wrong posting, wrong totaling, wrong balancing or wrong recording of an amount in a cash book of original entry. This type of error is also called as the clerical error because the clerical staff, while recording the transaction in a book of account, this type of error committed. For example, Mukesh received rupees 40,000 as a payment for material supply. So this entry, when we record in a cash book, as regard entry in a ledger, that is in a cash book we write the entry like this 40,000. But when we enter this entry in a ledger, at that time due to some oversight or mistake in a ledger, this amount get shifted only as a 4,000 rupees. At that time this type of error is occur, that is called error of commission. Majority of this type of error reflected in a trial balance. Second type of error, error of omission. Such a type of error is mainly occur if a transaction is omitted to be recorded either entirely or partly in a book of original entry, and then posted that entries in a ledger through oversight. Entire omission will not affect on a trial balance, while the partial omission will affect the accuracy of trial balance. For example, the payment of rupees 1,500 has been made to a particular supplier. When we go for writing this transaction, at that time in a cash book that entry is made on a credit side, while when we post this entry in a ledger, at that time we forgot to post that entry transfer in a ledger. That means omission of entry. At that time this type of error occur, that is called as error of omission. Error of principal. This type of error occur when there is a mistake in allocating a particular receipt or expenses to capital or revenue account. For example, machinery purchase is debited to purchase account. As indicate that machinery purchase, it is machinery purchase, that means in a purchase account it is on a credit side, but by mistake it is posted on a debit side, or Building sold. Building sold, that is in a sale account it is on a debit side, but by mistake it is posted on a credit side. So when this type of mistakes happen, that is called error of principal. This type of error does not affect trial balance. Then fourth type of error, that is error of posting. This error occur if posting is done to wrong account through with the correct amount and on a correct site. Correct amount and correct site, but in a wrong account, it is called error of posting. For example, debit of rupees 5000 to Ram Govind. It is wrongly posted to the debit of Ram Gopal account. So this type of error, it is called the error of posting. That means in place of Ram Govind account, it is posted to a Ram Gopal account, that is error of posting. This type of error does not affect the trial balance. Then the last error, that is compensating error. When two or more errors are committed in such a way that they nullify the effect of each other on a debit side and credit side, it is called compensating error. For example, rupees 20 instead of rupees 200 is debited to Suresh account, and at the same time rupees of 200 instead of 20 is debited to a Dinesh account. So this type of error, it is called compensating error. That means no effect occur on a trial balance because the one error is compensated by the another error. So effect get nullified. Error affecting only one account reflected by a explanatory note, but error which affect two or more account, it reflected by passing a journal note. So it is all about the different error. Summary of this session. In this session we learn about different accounting error which not reflected in a trial balance, such as error of commission, error of omission, error of principal, error of posting and compensating error. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching and happy learning.